And this is why I had to park away from the house this morning, or last night. Hi, dog. Now you have to understand when we parked the car here last night, the water that you see running was almost over the top of the sides of that little bridge. Hi.
Charlie, get back here. All bark and no bite, I assure you.
Oh, I'm sure of it. The little... that tends to be what happens with the little ones.
Yeah.
So there you have it. That's probably about a foot or maybe a little over a foot deep at the deepest on that bridge. Oh, so that's how that works. I have a 4x zoom built in. Never knew this about the phone. Then again, I've had the phone for what, a month now? But there you have it.